This is the other nice thing about tractors and Defenders and old International Scouts. You've got easy access to work on the drivetrain.
Yep.
This is why Ross loves Defenders.
That's why I hate Range Rovers.
And Discoveries.
Discoveries. Once you tear them apart, you just cut the floor apart.
Right.
I mean, they're not worth much. At least Discos, anyway.
Touche. Look at that thing, just shining. It's a thing of beauty right there. Once we got that mounted, as you can see right now, there's no mounts for the 300 TDI. The original mounts were all starting to cut off. All right, so we've got the 300 in. It's mounted to the transmission.
Pretty much the same. So let me do a little zeroing out here, because we need to set the engine about 5 degrees.
If anybody knows their degrees at Tross. Look at that.
So when this is level, the engine will be sitting at the right angle. So let's take a few measurements. How's that for clearance? You got enough right there? Yep.
Yeah, looks good, Dan.
17 and about 3/16. 17 and 3/16 divided by 2. Oh, 1930 seconds. My tape measure isn't that accurate, so let's do 17 and 1/8 divided by 2. 8 9/16.
There you have it, folks.
7 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Ross is ready to give me a number.
15 and a half. Alright, so we got the passenger side figured out. So this is the center line, the hole right there for the mount to go in.
And then this mounts up against the frame.
Yep, this will be welded to the frame.
Okay.
Or the engine mount will sit right on top of that. We'll just cut it off right there. So now all I gotta do is figure out our next side, the driver's side. And we'll cut that out here, and then all we have to do is drill a hole, and we'll bolt it to the engine and then weld it to the frame.
Yeah, I dare say that's thicker than the metal on the
Probably thicker than
the frame.
metal, so it won't break off. Okay, so that's the center line of our next bolt.
What tool you're using there, Ross?
That's a spring-loaded punch.
So this is the driver's side?
Yep. Now you guys might be wondering why the driver's side is different in width. This we're going to be cutting this one compared to the passenger side. It's because Land Rover designed the engine to sit to the passenger side more in a right-hand drive, and they never changed that from left to right-hand drive. That's why when you're driving a right-hand or left-hand drive, there's less room in the footwell, and when you're driving a right-hand drive, there's more foot room inside the passenger well. That's why I like right-hand drives a little more, because there's more room for my fat feet.
It's true. It's something to actually consider. There's quite a bit less room on a left-hand drive Land Rover. Yeah, it's. I mean, there's already not a lot of room in these vehicles, anyways. All right, so drivers and passenger sides done.
There's about an inch difference there.
Look at that, just a little bit of WD-40.
Water displacement 40.
That's right, it goes a long way. There you go. Yeah, cooking, dude. Cooking with bacon.
Oh.
Wow, that's amazing. Where'd you get those? Well, that sucks.
Not without major crying.
There you go, look at that.
Go for the next size.
So now we're getting ready to score that and cut the angle. Winner, chicken dinner.
Let me get this all tightened up first then.
Driver's side, engine mount. Sorted now. These. That one's getting ready to be welded. Yeah,
Just a hair.
looks good, dude.
Perfect.
Look at that beauty right there. Can't get any more plumb level than that. That's what you call plumb level. Those dimes. Stacking dimes for days.
Welding upside down.
Last of the welds.
That's too bright.
Key to a good weld is the proper helmet adjustment. Yeah, that looks fantastic.